Hi. So, thought that I would do a video this morning and oh gosh, it looks like the backside of a chicken. But anyway, I thought I would do a video this morning and just say hello to both of you and tell you both how much I miss you. Because I really miss you a whole lot. And where'd the birds go? There they are. See, look. No! Come back! There they are. See? Ta-da. I don't know why I did this. Just roll with it. Anyway, tell you both that I really miss you a whole lot. And that I really enjoy getting to see Katie yesterday and Kelly Friday, and that when we spend time together, it's just, there's nothing else in the whole world like it. And I really miss both of you a lot, a whole lot. And it's not, even going to work's not the same without spending time with you guys. And you know, everywhere I go, I'm always reminded of, hey, you know, we did this, and you know, it's weird not having you both in the car. And then I go places and I'm like, oh, Katie and Kelly would like this, and I just really miss both of you a lot. So I also thought that maybe, oh, I'm so sorry. Look, I got Tony the Tiger pajamas. What? What is this? But anyway, oh, okay. Look, the birds are back. So I was about to, can't talk anymore. I was about to take a shower and take care of this. See it? See it? See it? Where did I get a bruise? Jessica, anything for laughs. I'm just guessing that's where that came from. But look! See? See it? 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 Do you see this? This was really... This has blue fuzz on it because my blanket is blue. But anyway, this is the result of going to a podiatrist, and I'm glad I did it, because if I didn't, I would have probably lost my whole toe. Try doing Gangnam Style with only 9 toes. Wouldn't be pretty. But anyway, ta-da. Poop. I thought it was something that I wanted to say, but then I forgot it. I blame the birds, which are, oh, there they go. They're back. Well, I love you guys, and I will see you soon. See you. See you. See you. Oh, and also, I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big coat from the thrift shop down the road.